Hello friends, welcome back to famous innovative YouTube channel. Yes, we are back with new innovative videos. We have gone through many videos of Selenium Python testing tool, like for example Selenium with Python Google search text box, Python Selenium drag and drop, Python Selenium with alert button, and many more videos. Today's video is really innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file first. First statement, from Selenium import WebDriver. It is used for Selenium WebDriver is a automated testing framework. Next statement, Selenium.WebDriver Chrome service. It is used for a service class that is responsible for starting and stopping of Chrome driver. The next statement, Selenium.WebDriver.support import wait. From Selenium WebDriver provides two types of wait. Explicit wait makes WebDriver for certain condition. The next statement, Selenium.WebDriver common.by import by set for supported locators. The next statement, Selenium WebDriver support import expected condition. For Selenium WebDriver support import expected condition. Then next statement, from Selenium WebDriver Chrome.options, how to pass option to Selenium Chrome. Then import time, for how much time the browser will be displayed. Then options is equal to options to manipulate various properties of Chrome driver. The next statement, WebDriver underscore manager dot Chrome import Chrome driver we have discussed previously. And same Chrome driver is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome we have discussed previously. Then Chrome driver dot implicit wait for the browser Chrome driver. Then Chrome particular website, that is Lincoln website, where we are going to log in. Then with username and then password, and then time is 70 seconds, and Chrome driver with a signing button, and then afterwards it will close. Last statement. Now we'll execute the program. Yes, we have gone through Lincoln ID. Then I will type my username. Now I will type the password. Yes, we are successfully logged into Lincoln. Now I will log out. Yes, we are successfully done with functional testing with username and password using Python Selenium. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.